Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, 25th of June 2014, we're going to look at CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, GER30, USOil, all on the daily chart with the Elliott wave analysis. Disclaimer, please stop, read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's look at the charts. Starting off with gold, our main count is actually telling us that we're in a wave 3 downwards. Wave 2, the wave 3 of the primary degree, that's red and in circles, and you can see it completed there at the high of 18th of March 2014. Its subwave is the intermediate. There's 1, there's 2, and we're thinking, has the wave 2 completed? We can see it's in between the 61 and 50% level. I've taken a trend line here, and then possibly looking for an entry at 1298, and another one at the low here at 1258.12, and various different profit targets taken at different levels, taking it at 1206.81 and 1173.34, and another target ending at 1131.88. Stop level 1410.86. Go for an alternative count. As you can see, we're looking at as in a triangle formation, taking 0.0 at June the 26th, 2013. There's 0, there's A, there's B, there's C, there's D, and there's E. The substructure, as you can see, is an ABC corrective move, where the A, B isn't yet completed, and we're looking at B to reach around the 61.8 level at 127.37, and then moving up forward for that. So what we're looking for this to occur, we're looking for price to come down, complete our wave structure for B, and then price to go up for the C wave, and then completing the E wave. And then we're looking for price to come down and then push all the way down further. And we've got a target level at 1115.18. Moving to the SPX500, once again I got to reiterate again, we are on the CFDs, and therefore this is following the S&P 500. Larger wave degree pattern is what we're in right now. We're in a wave 5 of a primary degree. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in a wave 5. 0 actually started at the beginning, late of last year, 2nd of October 2011. Breaking that down further right now, what are we looking at? We know that we're in a wave 5 of a primary degree, so the substructures is the intermediate, which is green in brackets. There's 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3 of that, and its substructure is the minor wave, and you can see there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Looking for a wave 4 to come down, right? We'll need a few more technical confirmers if the wave 4 has occurred, and then what we're looking for that to occur. These particular entry points can be null and void right now. We can just put 1 in there just to give us a little bit of a warning, really what we're looking for. And if we're going to take a stop level, we're looking for a stop level that would be a very nice stop level around here. And necessary targets, we can consider that as one target, that is true, at 197.6, but we will be targeting further up, that's right, further up, that's what we're looking for, and we will go through that after the wave 4 has been completed. Now we move to the USOil. We've got one entry in there already right now. I'll go through that with you in a minute. Right now I just want to go over the current wave count and wave structure. And taking it to the weekly chart, we can see basically we're in a wave 3 of the cycle degree. There's 1, there's 2, and 3, that's what we're in. And its subordinate structure is the primary 1, 2, and 3, we're in a wave 3. Breaking that down further, go to the intermediate, that's green and in brackets 1, 2 and a wave 3. I have to come down now to the daily chart so you can actually follow that a little bit more in depth. And as I mentioned to you when we're on the weekly, we're on the wave 3 of a intermediate degree, and now we're looking at the subordinate structures of the minor wave. There's 1, there's 2, and also in a wave 3. Right now we're trying to complete its subordinate structure, which is the minute. That's blue and in circles, Roman numbers 1, 2 and 3. Looking to target the end of wave 3 for the minute degree at this 161.8 level at 111.09. That will be a good enough stop exit for us, and looking to target its subordinate wave 4 entry point, and that's the minuet. That's black in brackets, and you can see there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and has 3 completed? We will have to verify it accordingly, and we'll wait for the wave 4 to complete, also using our other indicators for validation purposes, how to really enter the trade and not just based on a pullback. Right, so now let's go to the actual trade that we're in. We're 488 pips points in profit. That's for the US oil, and currently our stop loss is at 96.34. 96.34 could be a valid time at some stage to be able, once this wave structure has complete and we're in the wave 4 heading for wave 5, we can bring this stop loss up and bring it up higher and probably take it to 103.98. I put a few other entries in there, possibly to mark off for you traders, and taking it at 106.39 and a 105.38. Right now, yes, you can see price has entered into that region. So what we can do, we can wait for price to come down to the 38.2 level, and then it goes back up, and then it will take us back into the trade. And I've got 3 targets: 108.48, 109.34 and 11105. Okay, fine, so let's move to the next one. That is the US30. That's following the Dow Jones 30. I had marked this previously as my main count as an ending diagonal, ending on the wave 5 of the primary degree. And as you can see, there's A, there's B, there's C, off the wave 5 of the smaller wave structure of the intermediate. And once that is completed, we will see some kind of push down. So going back a few steps, the wave 5 completion will be the subordinate structure of an ABC corrective move, and currently now we're waiting for a B wave for completion, and then we can take an entry basically on one of the trend lines that we have put, and I think probably we may have to get rid of one of these to avoid further confusion, and we can see these will give necessary support structure before it goes up for the wave C to complete the larger wave degree. Alternative pattern still going long, and as you can see, the larger wave degree is there, which is the wave 3 of the cycle degree, wave 5 of the primary, and as I mentioned to you, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So also consideration, one can go long at a technical level for the wave 3, wait for price to come down and go up for the wave 5, and that would be a simplistic way also to do the necessary trade. German 30, and where we are with the German 30, we have an entry in there right now, but before I go there, let's just go through the actual wave count, and we're in a wave 5 of a cycle degree that's black and in Roman numbers, and its wave structure is 1, 2, 3 of a primary wave that's red and in circles, breaking that structure off a intermediate that's green and in brackets 1, 2, 3, and breaking that down, we take it into the minor, which is 1, 2, 3, and now we're looking for the wave 4 to complete. And right now, as you can see, we had entered a wave there where we had anticipated our wave 4 could end, but I believe that there's going to be there needs to be some more movement downwards before we can take any classify that as a wave 4. I'm actually thinking wave 4 can actually come down to this level. That's right. That's why we're looking for price to come down to that necessary level. And incidentally, this entry here where we are right now was an entry on the minute degree, and that's where it was for its wave 4 position. So if price does come down there, probably we could be stopped out at that particular position. So right now, taking a few entries there for the wave 4 to occur for the minor wave at 50% level, and there's at 9715, and target levels at 10080, another one at 10276. Okay, fine. So that is me. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.